Hey guys, how to add a new font family to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to show you how to install Fira Code, a popular font among coders. It's pretty simple, let's go. First we need to download the font family to our computer. I will leave this link in the description of the video. Go to GitHub with the font and find the archive with the font family. Download and install it. Click, next choose the folder, for example documents, save, and next go to this folder, extract this archive, open the folder with files, open TTF folder, select all these fonts, next right click on these selected fonts, and if you have a Windows operating system then click open, and if you have a Mac OS choose open with and choose font book. If you have a Windows operating system, then click install 6 times for every font, and on Mac click install once time. Next go to Visual Studio Code and here open settings. Next click settings and find settings.json. Scroll down and find edit in settings.json. Open it, and we need to paste here 2 lines between curly braces, for example here in the end, comma, and 2 lines with our Fira Code font family. I will leave these lines in the description of this video. That's all. Restart your Visual Studio Code to apply settings, and let's check. I open the draft project. It's a JavaScript file, for example 3 equal signs transform to 1 sign. We can make more equals sign, which converts to 1 sign. Our new font for coders works great. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding. See you soon.